Rule number 1, don't open the door.
I need a little more up top and a little less down below.
Amber alert. Oh God, something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. In orbit of Uranus,
It smells.
I don't even want to talk about it.
Oh, no, you love me. You know you love me.
Just don't let it touch the
You know, that's great, but give me a little more.
Why are you shooting at me?
The Block Island Sound.
I loved the beginning of this.
I watched it late at night and I was like, this is so ominous. This is so freaking scary. Why am I scared?
That's because they've anally probed him, sort of thing, because that's what...
It pushes the buttons for me as far as slow dread horror. This movie turns me on.
Oh my God.
Strange phenomena beginning to happen.
Vomiting up worms.
Dead fish being on the beach. Birds falling out of the sky.
I don't like Harry. I don't like him as a character.
He's a punk.
And
when he takes these sacrifices out on the boat, basically everything ascends into the sky. This movie scares me. And like I said, I don't know why.
Sucked up into big clouds and then thrown back in the ocean. I don't understand.
His body ends up on the beach.
Yeah.
You say alien. I say monster.
The way we see the perspectives, different perspectives.
Start the